I've been trying to make this video and I have this thing continually crashing. But for those people that are having trouble writing AllStar images to the SD card, or if you have a Mac, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a workaround if you ever have any problems. I did have a few that would not load on a system, and I had to do it this way. And if you have a Mac, this is how you burn the image for AllStar, or probably anything you can think of. So first, I'm going to leave all this in the comments down below, or the info section. Also, I wanted to tell you to check out hotspotguy.com. I'm putting a big website up there. Also working on a DMR system, which will be coming out pretty soon. But other than that, I am going here to raspberrypi.com software, and I'm going to put this in the description. You're going to download this imager, okay? Next, you want to burn your image. I have the hardest time looking for this directory. I am going to include this in the comments too, so you can just go there. All right, so normally we would come through here and we know which ones are the files. Like this one's 3.0. We know it's the file because it's large. Okay, we know this one, it has all these things. We know this is the image because it's large. So what you want to do is you want to come down here to where it says latest JSON. Okay, you right click, don't copy link address like this. Okay, now next what you have to do is you need to load up, which if I can find it on here, I took the icon down. Where's my Raspberry Pi imager? It's hidden in here somewhere. I'm gonna find it. Not, I'll go to the taskbar, find it. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to the taskbar. Oh, there it is. Okay, so you've installed the imager, whether you're doing it on a Mac system or you're doing it on a PC like I am right now. All right, so this is the problem. One bug it has right now on the newest one, it will not give me regular English. And everybody's my witness right here because everybody thinks I'm crazy in the forum. I'm trying to figure out what this bug is. But obviously this is enter. So it asks you for your language. Pick your device. Well, actually, before you do that, come down here to this bottom. And this usually says options. All right, see where it says content repository right here? Okay, click there. Okay, use custom URL, and guess what you're going to paste in there? You got it. Put that in there, and this is okay. I'm sorry y'all have to see that. Now you come through here, and we're going to say I'm doing a Raspberry Pi 3. I'm going to do this AllStar ASL3 Trixie. Click that. Don't. Okay. Your drive would normally come up here, and you click the drive there. Let me stick one in so I can, for realistic purposes. I've been dying to make this video, so I figured, you know what? I got a good computer. I'm going to try to run this. I need more RAM. These things just tend to eat RAM up. Let me see if I can get it going. I'm probably going to, there it is. All right. So now we see multiple card reader in there. We click that, and this is okay. Your host name. This is, say you don't remember your IP address. You can go to the computer, like this one says GMRS. I can type in gmrs.local. If you're not good at remembering addresses, this is whatever you want to do. You can name it node numbers. You could name it AllStar node. It doesn't matter. But remember this, because this is your host name, and this is what you're going to type in .local to get there. So make it something you'll remember. This is the most aggravating thing on this thing too. Capital city, if you're in the United States, choose Washington, D.C. I'm in Central Standard, so I am Chicago, but it took me a while to get this. keyboard layout, US. Okay, now this is the username. You need to remember this one. Your username that you're going to need to log in. I don't think it'll let you put any capital letters. I don't know if that's a bug on this program, but I kept everything lowercase. You type your 2 passwords in there. Keep going. This is your Wi-Fi section. So name your SSID, you know, the tag that when you go to wireless and you say, hey, can I get on your wireless? And somebody says, yeah, it's Thug Life or whatever it is. That's what you put here. And then you ask them for the passwords. You put that there and there. And on SSH, make sure you got password authentication checked. We want this. And that little box up there will be. And now it is going to summarize everything. And when you click this, it's ready to write. It's going to come up. You click this, it's going to write your card. Anyway, I hope you guys, this helps somebody out. And if you see the hype down there on the video, I would really appreciate it if you guys could hype up the that's the new way that YouTube's getting people. It's especially if you're on a mobile device. That's when it's going to pop up if you're on a cell phone. If you guys could hype, and if you do, please put hype in the comments down there to let me know you hyped it, because I'm trying to keep track of this stuff. That's one way you could help me. I don't take money, but I certainly do appreciate people that can help me. This is K5RVY Curvy. I'll talk to you soon. Leave any questions, comments below. I read all of them.